Hello, welcome back to Chapter 6, Section 3. We're doing the guided practice problems on page 426. And we're going to wrap things up with an application problem, this time involving geometry, problem number 12. So when we did the application problem from the earlier example, it looked really complicated. It involved electricity and variations of Ohm's law and stuff that probably is more than it needs to be. Well, this one's just geometry, and I told you guys don't stress about it, all right? Geometry, we know this. What does this problem say? It says, find an expression for the width of a rectangle, how wide a rectangle is. The length is represented by x subtract 2, and the area is 2x cubed subtract 8x squared plus 2x plus 12. You remember from geometry that length, and whenever we do length, we make it like a cursive L, but I want to say something about this, okay, but let me finish. We do a cursive L so that it doesn't look like the number 1, because L, look, there's an L right there. It looks like a 1. But length times width equals area. So this is the length. I need to find the width. This is the area. If I multiply that times that, I get that. I got to work backwards by dividing. That's all we're doing with this one. By the way, we've started in math, we've started actually saying base times height, which actually is better because it connects it with parallelograms and with triangles. But the cynical part of me thinks that maybe we stop saying length because we don't teach cursive anymore. I don't know. I have not used cursive in a long time. Now, the cool part about this is literally the area model from what we just saw. So if you set it up as an area model, you will actually be drawing the rectangle. Cool. So if you want to use the area model, that's fine. If you want to do long division, that's fine. Can I do synthetic division? It looks like I can because I have x. If I had any coefficient other than the hidden 1, I couldn't use synthetic division. But since it's okay, yay. All right? So I'm going to do synthetic division. I've got 2x to the third power, subtract 8x squared, plus 2x plus 12. And I'm going to divide that, that's the area, divided by the length, x subtract 2. This is in standard form, and it's not missing anything. So synthetic division is going to be slick. I have 2, negative 8, 2, and 12. This is x subtract 2, so I'm going to put a 2 right here as the number. I don't know if there's a name for it. I should look that up. I think the book just says this is x subtract a, and they say that that's a. But, and that's fine, but if you notice, I've been tying it in with what you already know, so I say x subtract h, so that's the h. Whether it's a, h, doesn't matter. I'm just connecting it with what we've already done before. All right. Put a 0 down. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Put the 4 right here. Add. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Put the negative 8 here. Add. 2 plus negative 8 is negative 6. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Add and get 0, which is my remainder, so I have no remainder. And the hard part, like I said, other than making sure it's complete and in standard form, the hard part is changing this back into a polynomial. This is the constant, this is x, so that's x squared. So I write 2x squared subtract 4x subtract 6. All right, now, we're done with this problem. That's the width. But before I wrap it up, and I know this is one of my shorter ones, I said earlier this is literally the area. So if I checked my work which actually you would have gotten if you'd been doing the area model. Let me make sure I get this right. This would have been x subtract 2, and this is going to be 2x squared, negative 4x, negative 6. So I'm just going to remultiply these and see if I get that. X times 2x squared is 2x cubed. Negative 2 times 2x squared is negative 4x squared. X times negative 4x. What did I do wrong? 1, 2, 3. Just double checking everything, make sure I got it right. Negative 4x. Oh no, I'm good. Sorry, it just looked wrong to me. I'm sorry. X times negative 4x is negative 4x squared. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8x. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. And negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. Sorry, sometimes that happens. I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but even like sometimes when I'm writing an email, I'll look at a word and I'm like, did I spell that right? And I don't know what it is. It's just, and then I check it and it's fine. That's part of being an adult. Okay? I just had to, the only thing is that you caught me on video doing it. I had to check it. So check this out. This is right here, the x minus 2. That's the length of the rectangle. This is the width of the rectangle. And all of this in the middle is the area. 2x cubed, these two together add up to negative 8x squared. These two together, 8x plus negative 6x is 2x plus 12. So that's how that works. All right, good luck with everything. Ask questions.